They turned right on the Fayetteville Road.
I think I just saw a pass southbound on downtown, going towards downtown Van Buren.
Southbound on Main Street.
I'm about to catch up with them.
10-4.
Coming across Midland Bridge. Arkansas 329, John, Mary, 329 JMM.
329 JMM.
Hey, there's a moped up here. Tell them to watch out for that moped. Coming up to 250. Passing 255.
Passing 255.
Got a motorcycle ahead of us. I'm backing off. TVI.
Where's Jeff? Where's Jeff?
Just past 50 is in front of K. Rogers and
Go back towards Xavier and go here for the TVI.
Back on 50th.
Going into the cemetery, 50th and Newland.
going in the cemetery.
Looks like we're approaching North 6 again, North 6.
Approaching North 6.
Southbound on 6, southbound on 6.
Southbound 6.
Approaching 50th.
50th.
Hello.
Hands! Show me your hands! Get out! Crossfire! Get out! Hands up! Show me your hands! Get up here!
Give me your baton. Take off that door.
I'm keeping his hands. Yeah, you ain't having a seizure if you react to that. Let's go. Get out.
Shut up. I'm coming out.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground, motherfucker.
Give me your arm. I'm hurt. You ain't hurt. I'm hurt, my son. Ow. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Now roll over.
Get up.
Roll over. Right there. Right there. Tell him. Get in the ambulance. Quit moving.
43 Force, another 15 one time. Get an ambulance rolling.
10-4, you advise 50th or 6?
50th and 6. All right, 50th and 6.
50th and 6.
10-4, 50th and 6.
Sit up.
Come on. Move away from the car. Over here. Can you stand up on your feet?
No! Shut up! Be quiet, Misty!
Lay down.
Where am I at?
843, 87, I cleared us.
10-4, release tone.
Clear traffic, 1233.
Unsafe lane change and no tag lights.
Yes. You're alright. You can be quiet, man. You're caught.
He was all the way in the left lane, seen me coming, went all the way across the traffic, went into the corner store down there. I light him up, and he, as soon as I get out, he just takes off. You want me to get pictures of both cars?
1046 and Newland.
Ow!
You're running from the police. Yeah, you are.
Good? Yeah, I'm good. Good? Yep. Got a little nug. Is that from, you want to know that? Yeah, I think I'm alright. I don't see anything too crazy.
What do you want?
Little battle scar, that's it.
That's a possibility, I guess.
Looks a little crooked.
Does it?
Oh, man. A little bit.
Green. It's just a green.
He had a bumper.
It's on Midland. We passed it.
Yeah, I saw you and started to back off, but there's two motorcycles. One of them was on the bridge, like a little moped thing.
Little bitty thing?
Yes.
My gosh.
He was back in the left lane.
I was getting ready to TVR him over there, but, you know, I saw that and I backed off.
You're better off helping the bridge.
I barely see that little brake light on the back of that thing.
Yeah, I shouldn't TVR on the bridge, but I already chased him across state line. I just wanted to end it, so.
I was trying to get the car. Somebody take my legs out. Oh, please. Car straight,
I think the bumper for this car is over there on.
No, I haven't seen a wallet yet. Hey, sir, what's your name?
Let me just see who the car checks.
I don't remember the tag. I knocked it off.
10-9, you're 10-1.
Who is the registered owner of that vehicle? When you were looking, did you see anything?
And I never really took a look. I never seen.
There's like a little joint right there.
Oh, okay. I never seen him throw anything or anything like that. Dude just kept slamming on his brakes trying to get me to hit him.
I'm not getting a return for an Oklahoma 329 John Mary.
Is that Arkansas?
Oh, it was out of Louisiana.
And more than
The tag
showing
was.
ownership.
In Arkansas, it was Louisiana.
It was a Louisiana tag.
Run that tag out of Louisiana. I may have mistaken it for Arkansas, but he's saying it was Louisiana.
Yeah.
10-4 return to the
We got ejectocito, right?
No, he was.
Killed the vehicle and got
Hey, sir. I need you to tell me your first name. Huh?
Larry.
Larry?
Yes, sir.
jumped out.
Where am I at?
Fort Smith. I'm getting his name. First name, Larry. Last name. What's your last name?
Rigsby.
Redfield?
Rigsby.
Rigsby.
Yes.
Larry Rigsby. What's your date of birth? What month?
December.
December what day?
What is today?
Huh?
What is today?
What is today?
Oh, my head hurts.
What is your birthday?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
77.
What day of December? Let me get that cricket out of your hair.
Hey,
The 30th.
hey, I'll just try to fingerprint it.
Okay.
It's the 30th. My name is Larry Rigsby.
Out of what state?
Out of Alabama.
Alabama?
Yes, sir.
Larry Rigsby out of Alabama.
Oh,
December. That's all I've got so far.
my head. Yeah.
45 is going to attempt to use his fingerprint scanner.
Both sides.
I don't know if we started a 10-11 or not, but it's probably going to need one. Is your bumper already pressed up there, or is that all from your other one?
No, it was not like that. So,
Did you get pictures of all that?
I'm about to take a picture of that right there.